Hi, I'm Melina and welcome to Expert Village. Today we're going to make a polymer clay bowl. In this next step, we're going to put the alternate color in between the petals. So what you're going to do, you're going to take your cane and you're going to take your triangle shaped logs and you're going to triangle side down, wedge them in between the purple or whatever color you chose. And you can see I'm taking the triangle ridge and I'm going down in between, pressing down, trying to touch that center color. And then I'm going to take the two purple sides and kind of smush them together. It's very important that you do make that triangle shape. If not, you're not really going to get something that looks like a flower. It's going to look like, maybe kind of like a flower, but not as much as if you did the triangle ridge. The best thing you can do to get a successful looking cane is to just be very meticulous with the way that you prepare it. This is what it should look like from the side.